Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dinesh's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making fresh milk buns. Let's shift over to our ingredients. So, you're going to be needing 2 egg whites and 2 egg yolks, 4 teaspoons of milk powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast, vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water. Let's get started. So here's your 1 cup of warm water. So first add your yeast. Spread it everywhere. So don't add too much or it won't come properly. So mix it a little bit. Add your sugar next. Then mix that. Don't let anything stick to the bottom. Then add your salt. Then add your milk powder, little by little. Add all of it. Mix until there's no powder left. Okay. Now add your 1 egg yolk and 2 egg whites. Okay. Mix until the egg is fully mixed. Keep mixing and mixing until the egg fully breaks and it's a huge liquid. So now you're done. Now, little by little, add your white flour. So now just mix. Now before you mix, add your vanilla extract so mix it with the dough. So first, just mix until there's no powder. Okay, now add more flour. After a while, it gets rough, so once it gets to this phase, use your hands. Apply pressure. So it should be very sticky like this. So now transfer everything to the ground. So if something might be sticking to the walls, your tray, so take it out. Alright, now it's time to start our kneading process. So you see here, there should be stuff in the walls. So just put everything down and keep your tray aside. So just keep kneading a little bit until it gets smooth. Then you can add your butter. So keep kneading and kneading. So first form it into a ball and put it down. So the perfect way to test it is by putting your hand down, it should rise right back up. Take your tray, turn it into a ball. Okay, so then put it down. Get a damp towel like this and put it over. And that's it. See you in about 2 hours. Let's take a look at our dough. It's already been 2 hours. So See how it's risen like this? So push it down, gather, sticking inside. So take it out. Yeah. Alright, take a little flour, rub it around with flour. Alright, so now just roll it into a cylinder. Keep rolling into a cylinder. It might stretch back. Okay, this is good enough. So cut in the middle first. Cut in the middle again. Cut in the middle again. Cut in the middle again. It's about 8 times. Okay. So right now it should be feeling like a marshmallow, but don't eat it. Alright. So just keep doing it until everything is on. Okay. Now take your wet cloth. So rub it around to get a little wet, and then put it on top. And let it rise for about another like 10 minutes. So let's take a look at our dough now that it's been 10 to 15 minutes. So see how it's come like this? This is how it's supposed to come. Next we have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So then let's rub a egg wash on our bread. So first all you have to do is mix the egg yolk and a teaspoon of water and milk. So once you've done that, it's just gonna be nice and smooth. So now it's time for our safety equipment. So let's just put our oven mitts on. Then we can just pop it into our preheated oven. So that process will take about 15 to 20 minutes until it turns golden brown. Let's take it out of the oven. See how it came? It's golden and brown. So it's going to be very hot, so be careful. So don't put it in your mouth immediately, otherwise you're going to get scalded and burned. Now that it's cold, it's time to decorate our plate. Now that you've decorated your plate, it's time to taste it. So see how soft it is? So let's pop it in our mouth. Okay then. Alright, it is so good. It's so soft. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next Friday.